In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up NordVPN for secure browsing and responsible streaming. First, go ahead and open the NordVPN app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the official website or your device's app store, and make sure you're on the latest version. Keeping the app updated helps with performance, security, and compatibility with your favorite services. Next, sign in with your NordVPN account. If this is your first time, you might be asked to grant the app some permissions so it can create a secure connection. That's normal for VPN software. If you use two-factor authentication, have that ready for a smooth login experience. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see a map and a list of available locations. Now, let's connect. The simplest option is Quick Connect, which automatically picks a fast, reliable server for you. If you prefer to choose manually, select a location that fits your needs. For the best speeds, a server geographically close to you is usually the right call. If you're traveling, picking a nearby server can help keep performance stable. After you tap or click to connect, wait a moment for the app to confirm the secure tunnel is active. You'll see a connected status on screen. That means your traffic is encrypted and your IP address is being routed through the chosen server. With the VPN connected, you can browse safely and open your streaming apps as you normally would. If you use Amazon Prime Video, launch it and explore what's available in your current region. Content libraries can vary based on where you are, and availability is determined by the service's policies and your location. Always use your VPN in line with the platform's terms of service and local laws. If you notice slower playback or buffering, try switching to a server closer to you, or use Quick Connect again to find a better route. A brief disconnect and reconnect often refreshes your connection. For persistent issues, NordVPN's Help Center and support can guide you to an optimal server choice. When you're done, you can disconnect from the VPN right in the app or leave it on for continuous protection, especially on public Wi-Fi. That's it. You've opened the app, signed in, connected to a server, and you're ready to enjoy a safer, more private online experience while accessing your services responsibly.